ginagawa ng QC, ginagawa ng buong bansa dahil ito ay pwede ba nating akbayan yung nasa kanan natin with consent? Pakisabi sa kanya, Happy Pride. Ayan. Yung nasa kaliwa natin, pwede ba nating akbayan? Pakisabi sa kanya, you will be happy. When we speak of pride, we speak of joy, of happiness. In fact, amidst our advocacy for diversity, equity, and inclusion, as the anathema, panlaban sa stigma at discrimination, we now put emphasis on queer joy. Pride is our story. Kwento ng bawat isang narito. Kwento ng maraming nagmarcha, ng mga hindi pa kayang magmarcha, at yung mga nagtatago sa gilid habang tayo ay nagmamarcha. Pride is part of who we are, not just as individuals, but as a people. Sabi nila, para ibalangkas ang kasaysayan, maraming iba't ibang kwentong kailangan buuin. Ganon din ang pagbalangkas ng kasaysayan ng Pride sa Pilipinas. Parang pagpunta ng Quiapo, maraming daan. Yung una, ito yung first lesbian march noong 1992. At saan nangyari? Saan nagsimula? Sa Quezon City, March 8, 1992. When lesbians in the feminist movement said, we will not be invisible anymore. We will march as a lesbian contingent. Cut to 1994. Dalawang tumbling lang dyan sa Quezon City Circle. Andyan yung Pride March led by MCC and Pro-Gay. And of course, the first Pride March organized by a consortium of LGBTQIA organizations in 1996. Who would have thought na itong movement na ito will eventually again take off here in Quezon City? This photo was taken in 1999 in one of the gazebos of the Quezon City Memorial Circle, kung saan nilaunch ang Lesbian and Gay Legislative Advocacy Network o LAGABLAB. Ito yung unang grupo na nagtulak ng passage ng Anti-Discrimination Bill, which was filed in the year 2000. Quezon City is the pride capital of the Philippines. Pero imagine the impact of what we're doing here that inspires movements across the country until we made history as the biggest pride celebration in the whole of Asia. Madalas pag kinukwento ang kasaysayan, kinukwento bilang malalaking mga kaganapan. Pero sa dulo, para sa akin, yung pinakamahalagang kwento ng Pride ay yung kwento ng bawat isang nagmamarcha. The stories of families marching together, for me, is the story of Pride. The fear is real, but conquering that fear with courage and solidarity is the essence of Pride. The essence of Pride is in the heart of everyone here, finding joy in the struggle, finding courage in the difficult. Pride is the dance of our lives. Maraming salamat.